Imagine this. You walk into a room and all eyes are on you, but it's not because of what you're wearing or even what you're saying. It's because you carry yourself like someone who knows you're good at looking good. And while that sounds like a dream, I'm going to show you how to shine as a guy. From upgrading your appearance to changing your mindset. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's be honest, shining isn't just about looking good. It's about becoming someone you're proud of, inside and out. It's about walking with confidence, spreading positivity, and knowing that you put in the work, your life. And here's the best part, you don't need a fancy gym membership or designer clothes to make it happen. I've got a complete guide to help you break down confidence hacks, even social tips. I've got you covered, and stay tuned because at the end, I'll give you a simple timeline so you can start seeing results fast. Step 1, Physical Glow Up. Number 1, Skincare. Create a glow-worthy routine. It starts with your skin. It's like the canvas for your face. If it looks healthy, you will instantly look more attractive. Start simple. Cleanse your face morning and night and never skip sunscreen. Think of sunscreen as armor for your skin. It protects you from wrinkles, dark spots, and damage that you can't fight off yet with acne. Number 2, Hair. Worn your crown. Your hairstyle can literally transform your entire look, so don't settle for just okay. Find a cut that suits your face shape and personality. Not sure what works for you? Ask your barber. They're professionals for a reason. And remember, healthy hair is also about using quality products, avoiding over shampooing, and keeping it fresh with regular trims. Number 3, Fitness. Build strength and confidence. Fitness isn't just about having abs, it's about how you carry yourself. A fit body makes you feel strong, walk tall, and move with purpose. Start small. Push ups, planks, squats, they're free, effective, and easy to do at home. And don't forget your posture, shoulders up, chest up. It's an instant confidence booster. Number 4, Grooming. Details matter. Here's the truth. Little things like clean nails, fresh breath, and a trim beard speak volumes about you. Always smell good. A signature cologne can become part of your identity, and keep that grooming game strong. It's the little details that set you apart. Number 5, Style. Dress like you mean it. You don't need a closet full of clothes to look sharp. Invest in timeless pieces. A crisp white tee, dark jeans, and clean sneakers. The key is fit. Clothes that fit well make you look like you've got your life together. And don't underestimate the power of a great accessory like a watch or bracelet to say, I got it. Now comes the next step, the mental and emotional glow up. Number 1, confidence. This is the key. Looking good will only get you so far. Confidence is what seals the deal. Make a habit of maintaining eye contact. It's subtle but powerful. Stand tall, speak clearly, and don't be shy about putting yourself out there. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build every day. Number 2, mindset. Upgrade your thinking. Here's a game changer. Stop obsessing over your flaws and start focusing on your strengths. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every morning. It sounds simple, but it rewires your brain to see the good in yourself and the world around you. You are a positive mindset magnet. Number 3, stress management. Protect your energy. Stress show up in your face, your voice, and even your energy. Find ways to manage it, whether it's through journaling, meditation, or running. A calm mind isn't just attractive, it's powerful. Now comes the next step, lifestyle changes. Number 1, diet. Feed your glow. You can't glow on a diet of chips and soda. Fuel your body with whole foods like eggs, avocados, and nuts. And don't forget water. It's the cheapest and easiest way to hydrate your skin. And seriously, to keep your energy up, drink more water. Number 2, sleep. The glow up secret weapon. Sleep is like nature's reset button. If you are not getting 7 to 8 hours a night, you are sabotaging your glow up. Create a bedtime routine. Ditch the screens, dim the lights, and give your body a rest. You will wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Number 3, habits. Small wins, big results. The secrets to glowing is to build better habits, one step at a time. Replace soda with water, binge Netflix with 15 minutes of reading, and break procrastination with small, actionable goals. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Now, final step, the social glow up. Here's a pro tip. How you make people feel is just as important as how you look. Practice being a good listener, give genuine compliments, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Surround yourself with positive people who push you. Your vibe attracts your tribe, so choose wisely. Now, for the complete transformation guide, let's bring it all together. Week 1, fix your skincare routine. Week 2, start working out. Week 3, upgrade your wardrobe. Track your progress, take photos, write down your goals, and celebrate small wins. The glow up isn't about becoming someone else. So, which of these steps are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your glow up plans. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who could use a little boost. And don't forget to subscribe.